Hi, so this is part 3 of the tutorial how to do the game Firefly Hero. So here we had done a options button, but it didn't work. So now we'll do that. So let's create a new scene. Call it options. Open it up. And I'll create a new actor. I'll call it options BG for background. I'll change the color to black and the alpha to 50. I'll make that the size of the scene. Yeah. So now I can go back to the scene, open up this actor, click edit prototype, and create a rule saying when touch is pressed, pause game and go to scene options. So yeah, options, I click and I'll go to the scene options. There's nothing on it, just a background. Option, I open that up. So here we'll have music. Sorry. And here sounds. Music, I'll open it up and I'll create a rule. When touch is pressed, I want it to change attribute audio music volume to audio devices audio music volume plus 1. I just forgot these. Percentage 2. So that's what it'll do. It'll when you'll click once, it'll change it to 1, and when you'll click again, it'll change it back to 0. Create rule when attribute devices audio music volume equals 1. I'll display text music on in black and size 20. Here I'll click otherwise, and there's only 2 different things that can only be 0, 1, so that's why I'm using otherwise. Off here. That works. Next, I'll create an attribute called. I'll create an integer attribute. I'll call it sound. Yeah. I'll change it to 1 for a moment. And sounds create rule when. And I'll just copy the rules from the other one directly which will go faster. Copy that, go to the sounds actor and paste it. When touch is pressed, game sound to game sound. Now go down, let's change it to game sound. Sound on, and here sound off. Yeah, so that's it for the menu, the options now. We'll be adding stuff after. Yeah, so I'll show you how it works. Preview, options, and you can't go back. I'll just create one back button, and after I'll change the size to 50 because it's a bit big. And here I'll create a rule when touch is pressed, unpause game. Options, back, and that's it. Play, I have the level select. And click on level 1. Yeah, so everything's there. So what else? So here we'll go into the Firefly actor and we'll create 2 real attributes. One of them will be called start X, start Y. And we'll say at the beginning, right in front of that, to change self start X and self start Y to self position X and self position Y. Now that's just for that after. It keeps in memory where the player started. Now I'll just move that up a bit. Spike. An actor called Spike. Size. No, I'll put an image in here. I'm just gonna go and get it, and I'm coming back. Hi, I'm back. So I just did the art for the Spike. Go to images, plus art, and Spike. It's here. Drag that here. It'll change the size automatically if it's drag it like that. Normally, yeah, 20 by 20. I think that's a bit big. No, it's fine. Here I can change the rotation to 90 to have it up. Or whatever, or 180 I think. Yeah, 180. 180. $180. And here, I'll just put one more, and then we'll go back into our Firefly actor. Also, Firefly actor, I'll create a rule when overlaps collide with actor spike. I need it to change attribute self position x to the starting point, so it's self start x, and change attribute again self position x and y, sorry, self position y to self start y. Yeah, so now going here, when I click here, and it'll restart to the starting point. Yeah, just touching. Going back, just because otherwise it didn't put it there. Now, it works. Attached, it went to here and went down. So that, I just need to, I'll just change some other thing here. Something else. So I wanted to change, so that, again, when it collides with the spike. So I'll say after O dot. No, I don't need a timer. Yeah, I think I do. After all. After O dot O 1 seconds, I need to run to completion. And it'll change its position to game position, light position X. And seeing if that works. Yeah, perfect. And now it puts all the lights off at the same time when it touches it. Yeah, that's, I think, it for that video, because I already have 13 minutes. So see you in the next video. Bye.